People of all ages can have a ton of fun with our 3D printers, even the youngest ones. Okay, maybe a 1-year-old shouldn't be operating a 3D printer, but you can definitely create a lot of fun toys for them, or even make parenting a bit easier for yourself with some clever prints. You get the idea. In this video, we will share some useful tips on what you can print for toddlers. So, let's start with toys. This part is pretty straightforward because, let's face it, kids can turn almost anything into a toy, even the printer itself. This little fella even disassembled one of the gadgets from our previous LARP project and hid its parts all over the apartment. Anyway, there are tons of fantastic models at printables.com that encourage creativity and help develop motor skills. Just be sure to check the designs for sharp edges and small parts. And of course, I think it goes without saying, don't let your kids play with these toys unattended. As for the best projects, we especially recommend toy boards and upgrades for baby bouncers. These can keep your child entertained for ages, and they are a lot of fun to watch too. Your kid can become an airplane pilot, a driver, or a ship captain, just to name a few. When it comes to decorations, the rules aren't as strict as they are for toys, as long as you keep them out of the reach of little hands. This gives you the freedom to get creative with designs, and you can even use an SLA printer if you'd like. Imagine making a moving pteranodon skeleton, a flying fox, or just about anything else, depending on whether you want to inspire a future paleontologist or a taxidermist. How about nightlights? We don't want to scare the children with darkness, right? Luckily we have this 3D printed 12,000 lumen diving light. Sleep tight and sweet dreams. Okay, let's be a little bit more serious and create an actual nightlight that won't seem like somebody turned on the bad signal searchlight. We finally finished the lightsaber you may remember from our electroplating project, and we just needed to print a red diffuser and place an LED strip inside to turn it into a stylish nightlight. Now, that's more like it, isn't it? And finally, let's talk about upgrading strollers. The possibilities here are practically endless. You can attach almost anything to them. We printed a few things we found at printables.com and even added some of our own designs. For example, we created a universal modular cup holder and a magnetic phone holder. We also tried out some cool pedals for carrying an older child. They kind of worked, but they'd be even better if they could steer. Still, we love the concept. Now the stroller has cool cup holders and everything, but it's all just functional and boring, isn't it? No worries, we have the perfect solution for you. The Honkmaster 3000. Yeah, it's just an Einzi Rambo electronics board with a car horn connected to it. It's a great thing for casual strolling among people. And that's not all, there's also a Picatinny rail with a red dot sight to see who you are honking at. Of course, no babies were present during the honking. Anyway, we had a ton of fun with these ideas. But is that all there is? Not by a long shot. There are tons of other useful and fun things you can print, like foot measuring devices, collapsible childproof barriers, milestone markers, puzzle frames, stencils, hooks, and hangers. We could talk about this all day and still not cover everything. If you are looking for more inspiration, be sure to check out our blog and browse printables.com. And if you design something yourself, don't forget to share your creations. Just remember, safety first when it comes to kids. Did you like our tips? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching and happy printing!